Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share you the advanced SQL books for experienced programmers. Some people pronounce SQL and some people pronounce SQL. So no matter, I am going to use SQL in this video. If you are an experienced programmer and know how to write SQL queries and database fundamentals, but want to take your SQL and database skills to the next level, so this is the right video for you. I have already uploaded one of the top 5 SQL books for beginners, which are essential to learn SQL queries and fundamentals of database like normalization, indexing, and other design stuff. If you are not yet visit that video, so go and see in the playlist and watch it. Coming to this video, so here are some of the best books to take your SQL skills to the next level. These books will not only help you to learn advanced concepts, but also help you to bridge your gap on fundamentals, for example, join, indexes, and other database design concepts like normalization. So here is the first book, that is SQL Cookbook. In this book, you will learn advanced SQL concepts like Windows functions, powerful database specific features such as SQL Server pivot and unpivot operators, the Oracle model class, and PostgreSQL very useful generate series function. This book also explains the techniques of walking a string, which allows you to use SQL to parse through the characters, words, or delimited elements of a string. So I can say this is one of the great book to take your SQL skills to the next level. The next one is SQL Performance Tuning. This book provides a lot of practical tips for improving SQL performance on all of the major database systems. It does not teach you the SQL syntax and how to use a particular SQL command, but instead helps you to understand the differences between major DBBS, including big three, that is Oracle, SQL Server, and MySQL. These books also help you to decide which tuning techniques will work for which database. Like it is not necessary that one trick which gives better performance in SQL Server will also give you the best performance in Oracle. So essentially, this is what you will learn in this book. The next book is The Art of SQL. This is another great SQL book for an experienced developer who touches key areas of databases and SQL, like designing of database for high performance. This book is very helpful who was working as a database developer. The next book is SQL in Nutshell. This book offers a great cross-platform syntax reference for SQL. And this book also helps the best reference for those who work with multiple DBMS. The next book is SQL for Smarties. This book offers tips, techniques, and guidance on writing effective, sometimes complex SQL statements using ANSI standard SQL. So it also covers the topics like set operations, optimizations, data scaling, and more. So that's all about some of the best books to learn advanced SQL programming. If you use SQL in your projects, currently learning SQL, or already worked in SQL for a couple of years, you can read these books to take your SQL skills to the next level. So if you like our videos, please share this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also comment if you have any other SQL books, the best one you feel, okay, in the comment box. So thank you for watching.